I took a leap of faith and never looked back. This has probably been the best decision I've ever made in my life. My name is Daniel Lay. I'm from Milpitas, California, and I like to cook. You know what's funny? Like, for the longest time when I was a kid, I didn't like Vietnamese food. Growing up, like when I was young, I was the kid that would be at pho restaurants eating McDonald's. As I got older, I've always thought that like Vietnamese food has always been the same thing, and I feel like it should evolve with the times. And I know this is not something that would really cater to older traditional Vietnamese people, but I try to pay homage to the way that it should be made, and I'll learn how to make that dish first before I tweak and change it up to make my own style. I've seen Vietnamese food in many, many different new ways, and I think it's really cool to see Vietnamese cuisine grow in this manner, because I thought it was just going to be the same like forever, you know, and it's refreshing to see it change. The desire of wanting to have a certain flavor profile and to eat certain things is what got me into cooking, and it's always been like that ever since. Like I like to cook for myself more than anyone, but I think as of lately I've been more in tune of cooking for other people and for my friends especially, because I love to see, like, you know, their reactions when they eat and say how good it is, and it's like the eyes roll back, and it's like, oh man, it makes me feel good. I know that you can't have like a solid plan without being comfortable with diverting from the plan. Like, I see plans as like a blueprint and a map, but you can always change it up based upon what happens in your life, because life is unpredictable and it changes all the time. So, you know, I'll just have to see what happens next.